showbiz fanatics, Miss Christy Permin and Mr. Ogie Diaz abay naglabas ng kanilang statement patungkol sa cyber libel case na isinampa ni Miss Bea Alonzo. Ang lahat ng yan, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magsimula, of course, nais ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga legit viewers, subscribers at ang lahat ng mga legit na nagmamahal at sumusubaybay sa mga videos natin. Maraming salamat po. And for today's video, ito na pag-usapan natin ito dahil kahapon po, May 2, 2024, ay nagsadya si Miss Bea Alonzo sa Quezon City Prosecutor's Office para mag-file ng ng kaso laban kay Miss Christy Permin and Ogie Diaz, tatlong kaso ng cyber libel case. So, dahil dito ay nagsalita na rin ang lawyer or abogado ni Miss Bea Alonzo kung bakit po talagang nag-trigger na itong si Bea na talagang magsampa na ng kaso laban sa mga kolumnista. Bali, 5 kolumnista po ang binanggit ng lawyer, pero ang binanggit lang na pangalan ay si Miss Christy Permin at si Mr. Ogie Diaz. So, according to his lawyer, Bea Alonzo greatly devastated by false reports against her, sabi po ng kanyang abogado. The legal counsel of Bea Alonzo said that the actress is greatly devastated by the defamatory reports made against her as she filed 3 separate cyber libel suits against Christy Permin and Ogie Diaz, as well as their co-hosts in their respective showbiz programs, including an unnamed netizen who claimed to know her personally. Speaking in 24 hours interview on Thursday, May 2, Attorney Joey Garcia said Alonzo lodging of complaints against the involved personalities is her way of asserting her rights. So, for the record, this is the very first time that Bea is doing this, he said. She has been in the industry for more than 20 years. Yes, she was greatly devastated. She was affected by all these defamatory statements thrown against her. Garcia said that actress hopes the involved personality receiving this cyber libel case will be held responsible. She asserted her right to proceed with filing their criminal case against the individual responsible for making all these damaging statements against her. Alonzo didn't entertain the GMA News program request for comment as per report. The One More Chance star filed a cyber libel complaint before the Quezon City Prosecutor's Office, which include false report of her allegedly failure to pay her taxes. Isa ito sa mga nagpa-trigger dito kay Miss Bea Alonzo na talagang magsampa na ng kaso dahil medyo deep na po yung kanilang inire-report. Sinabi po dito na parang pinagbibintangan nila si Miss Bea Alonzo na hindi nagbabayad ng tamang buwis. May mga pagkakataon pa na sinabi ni Miss Christy Permin na kapag daw nakababangga o nagkakaroon ng disgrasya, yung driver ni Miss Bea Alonzo ay yung driver yung kanyang pinagbabayad instead na siya na may-ari at empleyado niya yung driver. So Alonzo and her partner Dominic Roque were also hounded by numerous reports after confirming that they have called off their engagement in February. Diaz addressed the cyber libel complaints on his Facebook story on the same day, saying that he didn't want to fake with intention in addressing the case. Meanwhile, Ogie Diaz showbiz updates and Permin and other involved personality have yet to comment one of this writing. We would like to hear from you. At dahil po dyan, si Mr. Ogie Diaz ay naglabas na rin ng kanya pong statement patungkol sa issue na ipinasa nga or tungkol sa issue na ito. Kasi po parang meron po mga reporters na tumatawag at nanghihingi ng statement ni Mr. Ogie Diaz patungkol sa issue ng cyber libel case. Shortly after Ogie Diaz was served with 3 cyber libel complaints by Bea Alonzo, he said that he would not want any more pretensions with how he would address the matter. Diaz took to his Facebook account on Thursday, May 2 to state that he doesn't want to be fake with his intention in making sure that the case lodged by Alonzo against him were put to order. Sabi niya po, pasensya na sa lahat ng mga reporters na tumatawag para maging balanse lang ang kanilang report. Naiintindihan ko kayo kung inangarag kayo ng news desk or ng editors nyo, he said. Makakarating din naman sa amin yan para sagutin sa takdang panahon. Pero ito ayoko nang magpaka-plastic, sabi niya. I want to apologize sa reporters who calling our come to ensure, kasi nga parang kinukulit po siya ng ilang mga reporters, pero sabi niya po, pasensya na sa lahat ng reporters na tumatawag para maging balanse lang ang kanilang report. Naintindihan ko kayo, kung inangarag kayo ng news desk or editors nyo, makakarating din naman sa amin yan para sagutin sa takdang panahon. Pero ito ayoko nang magpaka-plastic, tulad ng lagi naming hinihirit sa OG Diaz Showbiz Updates, sila pa rin ang gusto naming magkatuluyan sa ending. While citing his Showbiz Update online show, Diaz reiterated that he claimed that he and co-anchors were always saying in their show that Alonzo and her ex-fiancé Roque would end up together. Yun po yung ilan sa mga binitawan po ni Mr. OG Diaz patungkol po sa issue na ito. Pero wala naman po siyang inelaborate na anything with regards dun po sa kaso na i-file ni Miss Bea Alonzo. At sa programa din nga ni Miss Christy Permin, nagsalita din po siya patungkol sa issue nito at in-address niya po ito, nagsalita siya on behalf of his channel dahil isa rin po siya sa mga nasasangkot dito sa issue ng cyber libel case, and of course syempre po according to Miss Christy Permin, si Miss Bea Alonzo po is public figure. Yun po kasi yung laging sinasabi ng ilan na kapag public figure ka, even yung pinaka most secret things about you is mailalantad yan kasi that's part of your life. Kasi pag public figure ka, talagang lahat kakalkalin ng showbiz, pero nga lang medyo ang pinupunto kasi ni Miss Bea Alonzo na sa mga reports na lumalabas, wala daw ni isa man sa kanila na tumawag sa kanya para kumpirmahin yung mga inilalabas nilang balita. Basta sinasabi lang ng mga reporters at mga vloggers na ito na it was came from the closest friend of Miss Bea Alonzo. So ngayon, isa sa mga inilalatag ni Bea ngayon na ilabas nitong si Miss Christy Permin, yung sinasabi niyang closest friend ni Miss Bea Alonzo na nagiging source po niya. Yun kasi lagi yung binabanggit nitong si Miss Christy Permin sa kanya pong channel na meron po siyang kakilala na close at hindi nanununog. Ganun po laging sinasabi ni Miss Christy. And yun po yung ilan sa mga updates po natin, at medyo malalim at medyo matagal po tong 3 counts of cyber libel kasi yung kanilang kaso na kakaharapin, at nananatili pa ring tahimik ang kampo ni Miss Bea Alonzo or si Miss Bea Alonzo alone. Tanging ang kanyang abogado ang kanyang pinagsasalita sa media. So sana po maayos po nila ito, at di na sila umantong pa dun sa talagang demandahan kasi may pag-uusap pa naman yung both parties. So that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone.